Hi folks. Today I would like to talk one more time about very well-known lens Helios 44-2. So if you are watching my YouTube channel Retro Photo House, I guess you are in love with vintage lenses, and this one is particularly good and popular. The one issue it has, it very well fits the needs of the photographers, but for filmmakers it's a mess because of reversed aperturing and so on. So I decided to make something special, and after a long period of hard work and a lot of time spent on this project, finally I can show you this. So this is completely rehoused Helios 44-2. As you may see here, only optics and aperture blades remain the same, and all the rest is new. First of all, we have completely new full metal body. It is made from aluminum alloy. So we have here the built-in follow focus gears. We have very long focus throw, 320 degrees, from 1.3 feet to infinity. Of course, we have here the internal focusing. This is crucial for filmmakers, for serious filmmakers. We have here the professional standard REPL mount. We have here T-stops from T2.2 to T16. And of course, we have here 95 front diameter for appropriate accessories. So this lens is ready to go. It will make you happy with the outcome, I'm sure, for 100%, and it is available in my eBay store. The link is in description. So that's it. This is my new product, and welcome everybody. So thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
Don't say, darling, 'cause you'll fake it. Don't hide the tears, 'cause I know you're breaking. All this love and all this pain you've given. All this love and all this pain, you bring them from another world.
Another tear just burst from the side of your eye. And I know what you're saying, and I know it's a fucking lie. All this word, damn lie. All this pain and those fire